All right, I have a few sketchbooks that I'm going to demonstrate a special kind of journaling that I do. Let me start by saying that journaling, I feel like, is a really super important thing. Everything I've known about history is known because of either the art that we have left behind or because of the writings that we have left behind. At the same time, I'll be completely honest, I don't really like journaling. I do it because I know it's important. And I'm going to show you how me, someone who doesn't like to journal, who doesn't like to write everything down, I'm going to show you how it is that I do it. Also, let me point out that I said that everything that we know from art and from its writings. When I say writings, I don't necessarily mean journaling. A lot of what we know about history is from other people's letters or ledgers or just documentation of some kind. And so, we'll know about history, and by history I mean in the future people will know about us now by something that's left behind. The question is, does it come from your mouth, your mind, or does it come from a third party? So let me show you what I've done in the past in my sketchbooks and show you what I'm going to do and demonstrate for you today. First of all, what I'm going to show you has been a result of learning about bullet journaling. There's some really good links on the internet. I'll probably point some of them out in the description down below. And I got the motivation to do it this way. So when I was bullet journaling, I saw some stuff, I think it was on Instagram that I saw, where somebody had divided their paper up this way. We got nice little convenient boxes. We got our to-do list for this week. We have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Got the meals laid out, my steps laid out. This is what I ended up doing that day, and I just made a record of it. I don't always do that. It was kind of fun for a little while, but I don't do it very much anymore. But this just kind of gives me a record of what I did today. Shows me what I did that day. And I can come back and I can check on it. So this is January 23rd to the 29th of probably 2018. And so I can go back and I'll look and see what I did. I'm leaving sort of a record of my life behind, as well as journaling and sketchbooking. So let me show you another page. I try and be as creative as possible and also kind of quick. A lot of times when I do this, I do it while sitting at breakfast, and I just use whatever kind of pen that I have on hand, which is usually some kind of an artist pen, and I'll just lay them out. These are all done freehand. I didn't really measure anything. You can tell this one's skinny and a little wider and a little bit wider, but everything is sort of freehand. Let me just run through some of these real quick, and you'll see all the various ways that I've done this. Just kind of a little check mark of things that I've done during the week, checklist. Here's another one. I got a little bit more fancy with this one because I come across a blue highlighter. So I probably made this, and but there was nothing colored in. And then later on, I came across the highlighter and I colored it in. Here's one. I got a hold of some stickers. So all of these are stickers. Here's another one that I did with stickers and the blue Sharpie. Notice how much simpler this has gotten. I am now down to just like a place for the 7 days of the week, and no longer a place for my meals and my steps and my water intake or anything like that. I've become extremely simple in how I do this. And just at the end of the day, or sometimes the next morning, I will write down the things that I did the day before. And notice on this is like 6 days of the week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And just whenever it was time to start the 7th day, I probably made a whole nother page of 6. So I wasn't relegated to doing 7 days a week, since I could divide a page up into 3 parts easy. I just started doing 6 days a week instead of 7. That's one sketchbook. Let me show you this one. I got a hold of some stuff called washi tape. And washi tape is some pretty neat stuff. It's just like decorative tape, and you can put it down and it automatically gives your sketchbook page a little zing. So I got some stickers for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, basically just the letters, you know. I got these stickers probably from Amazon or Hobby Lobby or Michael's. You can probably look in the link down below and find some stickers if you want. I also do some hand lettering. And then I'm not even doing a bullet journal anymore. If you look at this, these are just basically paragraphs of what happened the day before. Here's another one. I like this one because I got a little bit more creative with it and decided not to do straight line, well, not to do rectangles, but to do very random shaped boxes. Polka dots, polka dot washi tape, striped washi tape, and that's all I'm gonna show you in these. So that's just a few of the ways that I've done this before, and so I'm gonna make one in my current sketchbook right now for this, so you can see how I do it. I have a box of washi tape. This is, you know, you can buy this at Amazon, you can buy it at office supply stores and hobby shops, craft shops. But I'm not going to use all this really thick tape because it takes up a lot of space in the sketchbook. Although there is some thin decorative washi tape that you can use. I like some of these stripe patterns. But I also found a box of just solid decorative colored tape. And I really like this a lot. So that's what I'm going to use in my sketchbook this time around. Pick a color sort of at random. I like a lot of black and I like a lot of red. I'm going to use, I guess this is yellow this time. I'll show you how easy this is to do. So first thing I'm going to do is the middles. I'm just going to put that as close to the middle as I possibly can. Ease it into the crease right there. And then just put my thumbnail on it and tear it off. That's it. This is starting Sunday, which is not today. It's a few days from now. But I can finish up my other one, and then when I'm done, this one, when I'm done with Saturday, then I can start this one on Sunday. And that's it. I hope you like it. Again, these things are made small so that you have to keep it short and sweet. It doesn't take but about 5 or 10 minutes to fill in one of these. And you don't have to spend a whole lot of time journaling. We're not talking about writing down your every thought, just keeping track of things that you do each day, or writing down some of the important things. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you got any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments down below. I look forward to hearing from you, and I hope you'll watch the next video and share this video with friends and family on your favorite social media platform. Thank you.